Your car smells terrible and nothing seems to work. I'm about to share the secrets that car detailers don't want you to know. First, ditch those hanging air fresheners, they just mask the problem. The real solution starts with removing every piece of trash and checking under the seats for forgotten food or drinks. Trust me, that old sandwich is probably the culprit. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. This magic solution kills cigarette smells and most funky odors. Spray it on all hard surfaces and wipe them down. For leather seats, use proper leather cleaner to avoid damage. Here's the game changer. Pull out those floor mats and give them a proper wash with hot soapy water. They're holding on to way more dirt than you think. While they dry, vacuum every inch of your car's interior, especially between the seats. For stubborn smells, sprinkle baking soda over your carpets and seats. Let it sit for 4 to 5 hours. It literally pulls the odors out of the fabric. Vacuum it up and you'll be amazed at the difference. The secret weapon most people forget? Clean your cabin air filter. It's usually behind your glove box and it's probably full of nasty stuff that's making your car smell every time you run the AC. If you're dealing with specific stains like vomit or pet accidents, mix vinegar and water again, but this time scrub the spot and use a wet-dry vac to pull out all the moisture. Follow these steps and your car will smell fresh again. No expensive detailing required. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective.